Good morning, everybody. So for today, we're going to Orange County and doing some hood rat shit, I think. Just kidding. We're gonna actually be going to fabric stores because we all know the Asian fabric stores have the better selections than, you know, your Joann's. But first, before I head out to pick up my girl, we're gonna have to move some cars around, and I'm gonna put some stickers on my car, of course. So definitely, we'll see you there. Alright guys, so we're going to be putting on a banner today, actually two banners. So I'm part of, I guess, two car groups. One's going to be one of my friends Denrick's car group. It's called Broke or Broken. And then my car group is called Shindaru. And so with Shindaru, I want to make my car into a whole anime themed car group. So if you're into anime, if you're into cars, then, you know, hit me up and we'll talk. If you're in the Inland Empire in California, then let's talk more. But Broke or Broken, it's my friend's group. It started in Pennsylvania, and then, you know, he's out here in California still, so I mean, I still gotta rep him. And the vinyls you guys are gonna see are made by him. So with that, you guys can hit him up. I'll put his tag somewhere right here, you know, little tag slide into his DM if you guys want like custom banners or vinyl like stickers made for you. So on to the next one. Alright guys, so next you do have to put alcohol to make sure you clean up everything, but you know, luckily, you know, being Viet and your mom works at a nail shop, you know, you got bottles of alcohol on deck, you know what I mean? So, check it out. There it is, Shindaru. It's becoming more and more official. Not too bad. Looks centered. Looks good. Alright guys, so now for the second banner, which is going on the back of my car. So, it's going to look a little like... Oh, I feel bad because you're gonna barely see it, but it's right there. Or should I throw it on the top? I don't think I'm gonna throw it on top because I did order a rear window visor. I don't want it to cover. If I put it down, people might not even see it. Yeah, alright, fuck it, let's do it. I'm sweating balls. Summer in California, you know, it's fucking hot as shit. Alright, let's get this going. Alright guys, so actually it's not that bad because you can see it right through. Not too bad. Not too bad. Broke or broken. I do need to clean the interior of my car before we go out because it's kind of dirty. For sure dirty. One more look at this one, guys. Alright guys, so for that shirt in the last video, we can't save it, boys. It is fucked up from the toe up, so you already know what's gonna happen. Bow your heads. Goodbye, friend. But good thing for me, got this clean shirt right here. Clean shirt. So if you guys want this shirt, go ahead and check the description below. And you're gonna check out our Instagram and wait for our fall drop. Our fall drop is estimated to be on the end of September-ish. So today you guys will actually see something we're gonna pick out for the drop. And it's roughly a fabric, so we can do applique. If you don't know what applique is, it's almost something very close to a high school letterman jacket almost. So with the letter, there's an exclusive drop we're dropping besides, you know, your normal tees and tank tops and stuff like that. But this one's gonna be all handcrafted by me and Fung. So these are gonna take some time to make, but I swear to you, they're gonna be sick. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll see you most likely at the fabric store next. Alright, see you. It's my first date, kinda nervous.
What? Your first date to what?
First date, kinda nervous. Hey guys, so today we'll be eating pickled chilies and pickled garlic. And you know, it's a real bit place. This one is MSG. MSG instead of salt. So we just finished eating. And we're gonna head back home. We got the goods. We got the goods. Right there. I see that black bag. We got the goods. So I have, that's so gross. Okay, take it out. So I'm finally home from Orange County and I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. So what we have here are four different fabrics. So we're gonna have this one, this one, this one, and this one. This is gonna be part of one of our exclusive lines of the clothing brand. And you guys will have to wait and see what we do with this. But my engine bay is very hot on the RSX. So I wanted to change my oil. I checked it, it was really low and dark, so it's time to change the oil on that. So I'm gonna head to AutoZone, come back home, and we'll get that done for you guys, alright? Alright, lit. Cheese. Cheese. Eating cheese. Oh yeah. Alright, back from AutoZone, let's get this oil done. So the oil filter on our RSX is going to be behind the engine. Right here, is down there, right? Hard to reach, but you know, you gotta get it done. Ooh. You know you're Asian when your mom waters the plants 5 times a day. size 16 bolt BB. Might as well clean the bolt. Scrub a dub. Alright, let's go up top. Open this. Let it go for a few minutes. Oh baby. Oh baby. Send it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching again. For the oil change, for the stickers, the banners, the fabric, stuff like that. A lot of things are coming soon. Very soon. I'm just popping out some vlogs as fast as I can, as much as I can, so you guys are keep up to date with everything I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.
死んでいる。何